2007 Toyota Sienna 3.5. Today we're gonna show you how to remove the rear CV axle. So we're gonna remove this nut. This is number 32 with 12 point socket. We're gonna use our pry bar to hold the rotor because we're gonna remove this bolts nuts number 14. Okay. It's really easy to remove this axle. Okay, so we're gonna use our electrical wrench to remove now the number 14 nuts. All right, so now we're gonna turn the CV axle to release the other two nuts. Alrighty, so be careful with the washer. Alrighty, so now with the hammer we're gonna hit the end of this CV axle, just really gentle, and then we're gonna hit on the back to release the CV axle. Okay. Okay, it's really easy. And then when this part is out, just pull it out. Okay. So the driver's side is out. So make sure that the wheel bearing is in good conditions. Okay. And then we're gonna remove the passenger side. So the other way you can do is you can use a 14 socket with the air gun. It's more easy to remove those. Alright guys, so this is how you remove your rear CV axle for this Toyota Sienna.